It's a soft, creamy, crunchy, truly unique dessert. Hi, I'm Amy Hamilton, and this is how we made our world-famous McFlurry. The McFlurry has Canadian roots. It was actually created in Bathurst, New Brunswick by a franchisee named Ron McClellan in 1995. The original flavors that started it all: Smarties, Fudgio cookies, Coffee Crisp, and Oreo, which is still served today. In Canada, in addition to Oreo, our two permanent fixtures are M&M's and Score. We have seasonal flavors rotating in throughout the year. We fill our McFlurry cup with smooth, creamy vanilla soft serve and then add toppings like syrups, chocolate pieces, cookies, and candy. Then we add our unique McFlurry spoon. The top is shaped like a straw because it allows us to attach it to the mixer to create the perfect blend of soft serve and toppings. For our newest flavor, Mini Reese's Pieces McFlurry, we take mini Reese's Pieces and blend them with our soft serve for a delicious, crunchy peanut butter taste. Over the years, McDonald's has experimented with hundreds of flavors from all over the world. Some of our most interesting ones are the Bubblegum Squash McFlurry from Australia and New Zealand, the Durian Crunch McFlurry from Singapore, and the Dulce de Leche McFlurry from Latin America. With McFlurries available in 99 countries around the world, it's easy to satisfy your McFlurry craving.